Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by activating the approved licensure and insurance files, then bring essential teams online. Make sure ER, ICU, and surgical rosters are present. Next, connect EHR, pharmacy, and lab interfaces so orders and results flow without delay. Once done, establish a triage flow with 3 intake streams: emergent, urgent, scheduled, and assign roles at each station. This prevents bottlenecks and keeps care safe. You'll notice throughput improves when systems and people are synchronized. You now stabilize clinical operations by enforcing standardized protocols: sepsis, stroke, trauma with checklists and target times. This reduces variability and errors. Simultaneously, manage resources. Rotate staff to avoid fatigue, monitor PPE, and maintain a 7-day minimum medication stock, and cross-train nurses for critical backfill. Once these are running, implement hourly dashboards for capacity, wait times, staffing levels, and supply status so you can adjust in real time. These measures keep care continuous and predictable. You finish the operational cycle by formalizing shift handoffs and daily leadership huddles. Make sure discharge coordination reduces unnecessary admissions. Track outcomes, read missions, infection rates, length of stay, and run plan-do-study-act cycles to iterate improvements. If things go wrong, escalate quickly. Appoint an incident commander with authority to reassign staff, secure emergency supplies, or alter elective schedules. This quick escalation prevents small problems from cascading and ensures you retain control over safety and throughput as volume changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.